Remote thermometers are becoming a must-have for both amateur cooks and professional chefs who want perfect results without constantly hovering over their food. They allow you to monitor temperatures from a distance, freeing up your time while listening. The smart wireless meat thermometer with the thinnest probe offers a sleek design and advanced functionality for precision cooking. Its ultra-slim probe minimizes juice loss, making it ideal for steaks, roasts, and delicate proteins. The wireless connectivity syncs effortlessly with your smartphone, allowing you to monitor your cook from up to 165 feet away. The companion app includes preset temperatures for various meats and doneness levels, plus customizable alerts. The thermometer is heat-resistant and can be used in ovens, grills, or smokers. Charging is straightforward via a compact charging dock, and the battery life lasts multiple sessions. Its modern design and fast, accurate readings make it perfect for anyone seeking a reliable and discreet cooking tool. List 2. The Thermopro 650 feet wireless meat thermometer is a powerhouse for grill enthusiasts. It features 2 probes for monitoring different cuts or tracking both food and ambient grill temperature simultaneously. With a massive 650-foot wireless range, it's perfect for large outdoor gatherings or busy kitchens. The backlit LCD display is easy to read in bright sunlight or low light, and the straightforward interface makes it beginner-friendly. The unit supports USDA recommended temperature presets, along with customizable options for more control. The sturdy build withstands outdoor conditions, while the responsive probes deliver accurate readings within seconds. Ideal for smoking brisket, slow-cooking ribs, or roasting chicken, this model gives you the freedom to move around without sacrificing cooking precision. List 3. The Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer combines modern tech with user-friendly features. Its Bluetooth connection works up to 150 feet, and the included app provides real-time temperature tracking, preset cooking programs, and timer functions. The dual-probe setup allows you to cook multiple items at once, while the stainless steel probes withstand high heat. Its sleek, minimalistic transmitter takes up little space, and the rechargeable battery lasts for hours. The app's temperature graphs are a great tool for advanced cooks wanting to track the cooking curve, whether you're searing steaks, roasting turkey. List number. The govee Bluetooth meat thermometer is a budget-friendly yet highly functional choice for home cooks and barbecue lovers. Its 4 probes give you the ability to track multiple dishes or areas of your smoker at the same time. The app works within a 230-foot range, sending instant alerts when temperatures reach your set target. It also features preset temperatures for various meats, making it beginner-friendly. The color-coded probe tips help you quickly identify each channel, and the compact base fits neatly on your countertop. Fast, accurate readings and a reliable connection make it great for long smoking sessions, roasts, or even candy making. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants versatility without spending a fortune. List number 5. The Thermopro TP16 is a simple yet highly dependable wired cooking thermometer. While it's not wireless, its long stainless steel probe and 40-inch cable make it perfect for oven roasting or slow cooking. The large LCD screen displays both the current and target temperature with a built-in timer to help manage your cooking schedule. It comes preloaded with USDA recommended settings for different meats, but you can also customize targets for precision cooking. Its durable stainless steel construction withstands high oven temperatures, and the fold-out stand lets it sit securely on your counter. If you prefer a straightforward, no-app solution, the TP16 delivers reliable results every time.